Albany Milk Treating, this is Bill. How can I help you?
Good morning.
I'm sorry?
Good morning. I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. I was very, very fortunate to be in...
Hello?
There's something I want you to hear. Thanks for your
Hello?
time. Thanks for your time.
Hey, just a second. Let me...
Sure.
Hello?
Every year, over 800,000 people rely on Liberty Medical for their diabetes testing supplies. If you're
Hello?
on Medicare, call Liberty Medical.
Hello?
You know, in many cases, you're going to find out that between your secondary insurance and Medicare, your costs are all taken care of. And Liberty will even give you a free meter, and it's a good one. I use it. They deliver right to your door with free shipping.
Hello.
No one is more serious than Liberty about helping you keep your diabetes under control. That's why we're a proud sponsor of the American Diabetes Association in their mission to prevent and cure diabetes.
I could hear you in the background, but I heard only that.
Call Liberty now. We'll help you keep your diabetes under control. Plus, get a free diabetic cookbook when you join Liberty.
Okay. I'm not what I got cut off and then earlier.
How in the world am I going to afford all this stuff?
It kept calling back and calling back and calling back, and I could hear you, but I could hear him.
There's something I want you to hear.
Okay, I'll just making sure.
I'll recommend your services to anyone I know who has diabetes. Thanks for caring about people. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.
Bodega.
Good morning.
Is this Junior?
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes.
I'm sorry, sir.
Every year, over 800,000 people rely on Liberty Medical for their diabetes testing supplies.
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
There's something I want you to hear.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm at work right now.
Thanks for caring about people.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning. I'm Wilfred
Who's this?
Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. I'm going to give you a few things to do.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
I'm Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. I'm going to give you a few things to do.
Hold on, there's some weird guy. Hello?
Good morning.
What the heck? Hello?
Call Liberty now. We'll help you keep your diabetes under control.
Hello?
Medicare, there's something I want you to hear. I'll recommend your services to anyone I know who has diabetes. One of the things I've learned to do is laugh at myself, kind of loosen up, kind of relax about the whole thing. You know, having type 2 adult onset diabetes is not the worst thing in the world. You know, it's not a bad idea once in a while. And I've slipped up, and I've eaten ice cream and apple pie, and I've done things I shouldn't do. When I don't eat apple pie and I don't eat ice cream...
Hello?
Hello? Hey, what's up?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Is God.
Your mama.
Is God.
Praise God.
You ain't shit.
Your mama.
Tell your boyfriend get that dick out your ass, motherfucker.
Come get it.
You feeling good? That's a good thing.
What'd you say?
I'm looking for a Chinese slut.
What are we?
A Chinese slut.
Yo?
Stand up and talk like a man.
Hello?
Stand up and talk like a man. You son of a bitch of cocksucker.
Yeah, thanks for the entertainment.
Get the cock out your mouth, motherfucker.
Yeah.
The fuck is wrong with you?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Who's calling?
Bill?
Nope, sorry, you have the wrong number.
Is God.
Good luck with that today. Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Who's this?
Is God.
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Who this?
Is God.
Who?
Is God.
They're telling you who this. What? Hello?
What?
What?
What? Huh? I'm looking for a Chinese slut.
What's up?
You motherfucker.
Yeah.
You feeling good? That's a good thing.
What?
Get the cock out your mouth, motherfucker. The fuck
Yep.
is wrong with you? You sick bitch.
You know where I stay at. Come and get it.
Tell your boyfriend get that dick out your ass, motherfucker.
You know where I stay, fuck boy.
What state do you live in?
Hello?
ASSHOLE. That's a name for you.
Yep. What's up?
What state do you live in?
You know where I stay?
Yeah, you can't even say what state you live in.
What?
Yeah, you can't even say what state you live in.
Yep. If you know me, you know where I stay.
You stupid, ignorant fuck.
All right, white boy.
When you walk, you got a little bit of swoosh to your walk.